this is Hannah Dries, and these are my discourse communities. What is a discourse community? A discourse community is a group of people who have a specific language or they have sayings that only those in that group will understand. My first community is bowling. One of our sayings is stand at 15 and throw at 10. And this means that you need to stand on the third dot on the bowling approach. This dot is located to the right of the largest dot, the middle dot. Throwing at 10 means the 10th board on the lane or the second arrow on the right side of the lane. And then putting surface on a ball means your bowling ball is being sanded down, and these sanding pads kind of like get the polish off of your ball, and then it gives you more friction to go down the lane. And then community two is my coworkers. I work at a bakery. One of them is, can you get the chips and cream? And all that is getting cannoli chips from the back of our store and buckets of cannoli cream from our kitchen so we can fill our cannolis, and then we use the chips to make packages of cannoli chips. And then also second part, um, second quote is I am going to the office. And this is a saying that my old manager came up with. Um, we sit behind two large stainless steel uh, tables that we have, and we just sit down there and eat because we are not allowed to eat in front of our customers. And then last one is family. And my dad does this. He goes, Shh, I can't do it, and he's not here right now to do it for me. And then he just points in a direction, and then it just tells us that we need to go do something or to look at something. And my dog has also caught on to this, so I think it works pretty well. And then the last one is, did you hurt the floor? Of course. Um, Me and my brother fall a lot, and this is just something that we always say if we fall, and it has also transferred into bowling. And how long did it take it to develop a discourse community? I chose bowling, and I've been bowling for 15 years, and I am still learning terms in bowling that I had no idea about, especially moving to college. Everyone is so much more informed. It's a lot. And then the reflection, a community that I had to participate in was going to my boyfriend's house for Thanksgiving, and they had a big language barrier and a cultural difference than I did. Um, but I tried my best to connect with them as much as I could, and it actually worked, and it was really nice. And then overlapping communities, and then there are similarities and differences. Um, they're all similar because most of these communities interact because I have some of the same people that I work with and I bowl with. My roommate bowls and works at the same place, and my brother also bowls and works at the same place. So it works out really well, and we all know what we're talking about. And but these communities are different because they're very diverse and belong to a very limited group of people. Bowling people in my family might not understand my coworkers' language and vice versa. So a lot of people wouldn't understand bowling language because most people don't know what 15 and 20 means. So I think it's really cool. And then here's my bibliography. I hope you enjoyed the video.